My daughter asked me to help her make a pinwheel, so I thought I'd share a video on how we did it. First of all, you'll need a square piece of paper or light plastic, a stick, a ruler, and a pen. Start off by folding opposite corners to make a crease from one side to the other. Then using your ruler, mark 2/3 towards the center on each fold. Then use a pair of scissors to cut from the corner down to this mark. Get your stick ready. You'll also need a pin and a bead. Pre-poke the holes in the left side of each cut and in the center of the paper. Insert the pin into each hole one at a time, collecting them as you go. Once you have all four, carefully put the pin through the center hole. Holding it carefully, add a bead onto the pin. And then press it hard down into the wood. I found driftwood a very good choice as I was able to press the pin in very well with my hand. And give it a spin. For more craft inspirations, please subscribe to my channel. I have many more videos to share.